Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules MOA here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules MOA family. Here, and for today's video, we will be going in with a new foundation from Makeup Forever. Now, this foundation is priced at £35, and usually in the UK it was accessible to get this foundation or Makeup Forever in general in Debenhams, but prior to Debenhams closing down, Makeup Forever went, and it was kind of hard for us to purchase it in the UK, but fortunately I was able to get it from Guru Makeup Emporium, if I'm not mistaken, and I was very happy with that. I did get free shipping with the foundation, and also they do sell this foundation in a mini size for £18. Say for instance you're saying £35 is too expensive, you are more than welcome to try the £18 version, which is the mini size, to this foundation. I will insert a picture right here so you can see side by side of how big the bottles are comparing to each other. Now this one is in 30ml, that's 1 fluid ounce, and this is it. When Makeup Forever landed in the UK, I was a big advocate for Makeup Forever. I loved every single product they came out with. It was perfect for my oily skin. Now for shade reference, before I jump right into this demo, is I'm a Estee Lauder Double Wear in Sandalwood, MAC in NC50, NARS Macau or Marquises in the matte version. But prior to that being said, this foundation comes into 40 shades. In America, I'm sure you can get it from either Sephora or Ulta. And the shade that I picked up is 4N62. Let's jump right into it. To prep my skin, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream to moisturize my skin. This is a really good moisturizer, by the way. The next step is my favorite primer, and this is the Huda Beauty primer. This is a new one. That's how you know I love this primer. And this primer is the Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. Look at how beautiful my skin is looking so far. Okay, so once again I picked up the shade 4N62. Now this foundation in this particular shade is said to have neutral undertones. Now I would personally think I'm warm golden undertone, but yes, let's see if this foundation works. First and foremost, I love the bottle of this foundation. I love the nude. So basically I went off camera to color correct my face. I did go in with my Made by Mitchell Toasted Teriyaki blush as a color corrector. So there's that, and let's just shake this foundation up and just use it. And I'm gonna go in with my brush. I'm gonna take my PC21 brush from Peaches and Cream, and I'm just gonna blend this out. So far this foundation looks very much full coverage. I am loving the coverage. Look at how it covered my problematic areas. Look at how beautiful it's sitting on my skin. I'm loving it so far. I'm now gonna jump into the color corrected side, and I'm gonna use a brush. This foundation is giving a lovely coverage. I'm loving the color, loving the undertone on me. It is giving. Okay guys, this is basically what my face is looking like. I love the radiance it's giving. I do feel like there's a nice dry down to it, but I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and be right back with you guys with the finishing look. Okay, so you guys, this is the final look and my specs on this foundation. Now you guys can see my face. I'm in love. I'm in love. I would genuinely rate this foundation a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Absolutely beautiful. I love the packaging. I love the undertone. I love the coverage. I love, for some reason, I even prefer the side without color corrector more than the side with color corrector. For some reason, I don't know, or probably my problematic area is more pronounced on the other side more than it is on this side. I'm not sure, but I'm just loving this side way more, which I didn't color correct. It's looking superb. In general, it's all looking good. I do have high expectations for this foundation. The only reason, as I said, I give it a 9 out of 10 is because I have not tried the wear test, but from experience with Makeup Forever products, they are absolutely superb. I love how natural my face is looking. I'm not looking cakey. I'm looking super adorable. The only reason why I'm knocking down 1 point, because I have not done a wear test as yet, but that will be in the future. I'll probably wear this foundation during the week, and if anything, I'll just leave my updated thoughts in the description box if anything has changed. So this is the end of my video on me reviewing the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. Once again in the shade 4N62, which is equivalent to Y505.